Hello and welcome back to the Secret to Natural Beauty channel. If you're looking for natural and easy to make beauty recipes that will give you glowing skin, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 DIY natural beauty recipes that you can make at home using simple ingredients. These recipes are perfect for all skin types and will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. Recipe 1, Honey and Oatmeal Face Scrub. Combine 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of oatmeal to create a gentle exfoliating face scrub. Apply the mixture to your face in circular motions, then rinse off with warm water. Recipe 2, Avocado and Honey Hair Mask. Mash half an avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of honey to create a nourishing hair mask. Apply the mask to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Recipe 3, Green Tea and Lemon Toner. Steep 1 green tea bag in hot water and let it cool. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the tea and mix well. Use a cotton ball to apply the toner to your face after cleansing. Recipe 4, Coconut Oil and Brown Sugar Body Scrub. Mix 1/2 cup of coconut oil with 1/2 cup of brown sugar to create a luxurious body scrub. Use the scrub to exfoliate your skin in the shower, then rinse off with warm water. Recipe 5, Aloe Vera and Cucumber Face Mask. Blend 1/2 a cucumber and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a blender until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Recipe 6, Rosewater and Witch Hazel Toner. Mix 1/4 cup of rosewater with 1/4 cup of witch hazel to create a refreshing and soothing toner. Use a cotton ball to apply the toner to your face after cleansing. Recipe 7, Yogurt and Turmeric Face Mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric to create a brightening face mask. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Recipe 8, Chamomile and Lavender Bath Soak. Steep 2 chamomile tea bags and 2 lavender tea bags in hot water. Pour the tea into a warm bath and soak for 20 to 30 minutes to relax and soothe your skin. Recipe 9, Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water to create a clarifying hair rinse. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your hair and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with water. Recipe 10, Olive Oil and Honey Lip Scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of honey and 2 tablespoons of sugar to create a lip scrub. Gently massage the scrub onto your lips for a few minutes, then rinse it off with water. There you have it, 10 DIY natural beauty recipes for glowing skin that you can easily make at home. We hope you found these recipes helpful and enjoyable to try out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty and health tips. Thanks for watching.